Good morning, boys and girls. We are ready for math. In math today, we are working with the number 10. So we are going to be able to count objects to 10. We are going to be able to recognize the number 10. And we are going to be able to write the number 10. So everything's going to be about 10 today. All right, and our math page is going to be super easy for you. At the top, we have some yellow linking cubes. They want you to touch each of those cubes and count them. So we'll do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we're going to trace the number 10. 10 is a 1 with a 0 right next to it. Then we're going to leave a space and write our next 10. 1, 0. They go together and have to be right beside each other to make the number 10. After that, there are a basket of blue eggs, so touch and count those. And you should have gotten 10. So we're going to trace and write 10 again. 1, 0. Anytime you see this number, you should know that it says 10. And at the bottom, they have the word 10. T-E-N. That will be a sight word when you get to first grade. All of your number words will be sight words. All right, after that, you're going to turn your page and fold it back. You should have a red apple at the top of your page. Count those blue eggs again. Let's see what you got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So write that. All right, now boys and girls, for the rest of this, I'm going to have you do it. I will check it when you bring it back in. For each picture, they have a basket with eggs in them. For every single one, you are supposed to count them and write the number. They are not all going to be 10. So don't just go down there and write 10 because that will be wrong. Some of them are 10, some of them are not 10. Some of them are a different number. So count the red ones and write the number. Count the purple. Write how many. Count the pink, write your number, count the green ones, and write how many green eggs there are. Then you are going to do the same thing on the next page. At the top, you are going to trace the number 10. Then for each picture, you're going to count the eggs and write the number. I'm not doing it with you today because I want to see what you are getting and what numbers you are writing. But I will be checking it when you bring it back in. On the back page, draw 10 of something and write the number 10 at the bottom. All right, so those are your directions for your math page today. If you have any questions or need any help, please send me a message. But I think you all are going to do super great on it.